How to restrict groups on Messenger. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and double check if the Messenger app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the Messenger app. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Messenger app, and I'm gonna go ahead to this group, for example, and I want to restrict that group. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on the name of that group at the top, and basically scroll a little bit down, and you won't find an option that allows you to restrict the group. But alternatively, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here to the notification sound and just go ahead and turn on the mute notification. It works as well as, it works the same as the restriction. So basically you won't see if any notification or whatnot, and basically you won't see receive calls in or the sounds of it, that noise. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.